All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am flying the drone for the very first time, and this is DJI Mini 3. It was a gift. Yes, I am so glad I got this awesome gift. Well, since I am not a pro and I am very new to this drone, I'm going to give a quick review about the resolution. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, resolution. Wow, I set the resolution to 4K and this is what I got. Amazing. You know what? I am so satisfied with the video. My God, look at the resolution. Well, I am not going to deny that I am so satisfied with it. So satisfied, ladies and gentlemen. Look. Well, this video is not a tutorial about DJI Mini 3. I'm not going to give you a tutorial how to fly it, how to use it. I'm just going to give you a quick review about the resolution. As I have told you, I am so satisfied. Yes, that's all it, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. And lastly, I would like to thank my beloved, mi amor, my love, my darling Jasmine, for giving me this awesome gift. I love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah.